Lexi, you're not afraid na?
Few moments later.
Masyado maiksi? Okay. Just so pretty naman talaga. Okay, no. Sa dami na makikita ko dito, ngayon lang ako lumabas ng bahay. Ikaw pa? Ikaw pa? We're gonna see baby brother's face. We're gonna check if baby brother looks like mommy or looks like daddy or look like Lexi. English pa, girl. Yes, I am.
Oh, mommy.
Aww. One more.
Parang last game na sa dami ng tao, mga baby. Pinabuk na talaga ng volleyball ang basketball. Oh, Pak, mga kumari kong kaigaganda. Oh.
Sa Michael, di ba? Kanina, bulong ka ng bulong, sabi mo sayo tayo.
Happy Mother's Day! Happy Mother's Day! Happy Mother's Day to you! Happy Mother's Day!
Thank you.
It's
Ayun na nga.
ano? Bakit ba? Haba din naman yan.
Daddy, I don't like to.
Wow, Lexi's happy. She's not afraid to cut her hair. Lexi, you're not afraid na? Very good. Look at ate, oh. Oh. You don't want to shower your hair? You don't want to wet your hair? Okay, okay.
I'm not sleeping.
Then, Lexi, while having your haircut, you talk to Tito Carla. Like, hi, Tito Carl, how's your day? Okay? Okay? Spoiled naman yung anak mo, huy. Huy. Kulang na lang siya maggupit eh. Wow, she's so pretty. Look at yourself in the mirror. Wow naman!
Few moments later.
You asked Tito Carl, how are you, Tito Carl? Ayan o, Carlo, yung super iksi. Tignan mo. Yung nasa harap. Diyan natin sunod. Mahaba masyado? Ay, maiksi masyado? Tingin mo.
Hindi naman. Ito.
Masyado maiksi? Okay. Lexi, why you crying?
Oh no!
Tingin tubig ka.
She's very good, Daddy. Oh, we're not gonna cut na. Let's not cut na lang. Okay. Let's just, let's massage Lexi na lang, ha? No cutting, ha? Let's just massage na lang. Oh.
5 minutes later.
Perfect.
At least hindi masyado pinawisan si Carl today.
Oo.
Alam mo yan, B. Sakto lang. Oo. Hopefully next year hindi na siya iiyak ng ganyan.
No.
Can I see? You're just so pretty naman. Okay, no. Oh, see that? Ate's not crying.
Anong gagawin natin?
Oh, pakak. Ito.
Gilid na.
Hindi, kalbuin mo na yan.
Oh no!
Pero sad-sad daw sa gilid. Oo.
Sige.
Lexi, you say thank you to Tito Carl for your nice hair. See that?
Welcome.
So pretty, oh. Can I have that hair? Like that? Like that?
Okay, my
Okay.
baby.
Can you tell Tito Carl that I want that hair?
She wants this here. This is my hair.
That's so beautiful. Where is your scissors?
Who's that?
That's your daddy.
Ano
Look.
ba yan, Daddy? It's just a joke. Look at my hair. It's so ganda.
Oh, see? so ganda. Who cuts your hair?
Tito Cow.
Oh. Let's see, look at ate. You want to blow your hair also? Okay, no na. Ate na lang, ate. Say bye-bye to your ate. Bye, ate. She's gonna stay here muna. Sorry.
No.
We have to leave her.
I
We'll come
don't
back for
like.
ate. We will come back for her. Okay? We'll come back for her. This is the finished product. So, ayan, ito ang ating hair. Pinakat ko siya ng very, very light, kagaya nung gupit natin before. Actually, ayaw nga nila Mike and Sab na magpakat ako ng hair. Pero I really wanted to cut my hair short kasi matagal pa ulit bago ako magpupunta ng salon. Siguro, kung manganganak ako ng June, baka mga August pa ako niyan magka-time or hindi ko alam kung kailan. But anyway, super love it. Talagang si Carl matagal na niyang hinahawakan yung buhok ko, pati si Mike, pati yung mga bata. And sobrang gaang ng kamay niya, ang bilis sumaba ng buhok ko pagka sa kanya ako nagpapakat. Actually, di naman ako nagpapakat sa iba, sa kanya lang talaga. Yung color ng hair ko pala, sa mga tataka dyan kasi baka sabihin nyo, buntis ako, tapos ba't ako nagpapakulay ng buhok. Nag-message ako sa OB ko the other day, tinatanong ko siya if pwede ba ako magpa-hair color. Inalawa ko ni OB basta daw organic yung gagamitin. And yung meron si na Carl doon na organic hair color, pero limited lang yung color. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo, medyo mas brown lang ng konti yung buko ngayon compare doon sa bago ako kinulayan. So limited lang yung mga colors na available pag organic. So ayan, after na lang mga anak, saka na lang natin ilalaban yung mga mas matitingkad na kulay. But anyway, nasa kotse na kami ngayon. We are on our way to UP. May UP bike demo na nangyayari doon. Last year, nagpunta kami doon ni Mike kasi di pa naman ako buntis. Pero ngayon pupunta tayo doon. Not because of the bike demo. Pero kasi tatakbo rin si Mike. And nandun na rin naman yung mga bike friends namin. So imi-meet natin sila. Baka siguro we'll have dinner with them. Si Sab pala, iniwan na muna namin sa salon. And then pagtapos na siya, kasi medyo matagal yung gagawin sa kanya, parang rebond yung ginawa. Pero hindi rebond yung procedure. I forgot kung ano yung exact na ginawa sa hair ng anak ko. Kasi sabi ni Carl, hindi na daw uso yung rebond. Wala na daw masyadong gumagawa nun. Nung sinabi ko nga, Carl, papariband daw yung anak ko, sabi niya, Mommy, that's so old school. Ayun, may lamok. Hindi na nga daw rebond ang tawag. So, ayun. Lexi, what is that? You say thank you to them, oh? You say thank you. Oh, sino ka mukha, be? Sino ka mukha? Oh. Oh. Tatakbo daw kayo. Magsialis na kayo. Tumakbo na kayo.
Ate, 2 kilometers po, pulikatan si Mike.
Oh, sige. Di ba nagsisimula? Naiihina.
Tara.
Galingan nyo mga bi. Takbo na agad kayo. Sama nyo na yung takbo dito. Sa dami na makikita ko dito, ngayon lang ako lumabas ng bahay. Ikaw pa? Ikaw pa? Wala pa rin pinagbago ng bababae na naman. Binababae mo na naman. May asawa na to.
Boyfriend na ako!
Oh.
Ano dyan?
Ngayon lang kita nakita, di ka pa rin nagbago.
Shoutout ko lang si DJ Chacha. Lalabas mo sa YouTube. Lalabas mo. Huwag mong edit out!
Ilalabas ko sa Twitter.
Mong edit out, DJ.
Oh, sige, ano?
Pucha, pinapanood ko yung vlog niyan. Diyan ako na-inspire tsaka ano.
Sabi mo muna yung sinabi mo sa kanya.
Oh no! Hindi, kamukha niya sa PBB, di ba?
Sige, sino? Sino? No, nag-iisip siya.
Taga Cebu, may asawa ng foreigner na apelido niya eh. Alam mo yun, showbiz reporter ka eh. Ang PBB yan eh.
So, di ka nagagandahan sa kanya?
Nagandaan ako. Di porkit nagagandahan. Gusto ko nang i-chicks kayo naman eh. Nakaka-appreciate
Di ba pwedeng humahanga lang?
Hindi, kamukha yun sa PBB, di ba si ano?
How are you, B?
Sexy nga ni Mara sir.
Oh, Pak. Oh.
Ito na, picture namin sa ano, sa Maginawa.
kanina dami yung entertain wala ka. Ay, ako lahat yung dadaan. Kala mo siya may-ari naman na ito yung kanina. Kaya pala hinahanap siya ngayon. Nasa pa si Kla? Oo, diba?
Na siya ng first year ng
Sleep well. Oh, the birthday girl.
Parang hindi napagod, no?
Ate, ilang taon ka na?
18? 13. 13.
Ay, si Lexi.
Oo.
Tawan-tawa yan.
Si Lexi kasi ate, o, tinan mo, chimichika kami, di ba? O, tas ulo ko.
Lexi, where are we going today?
We're going to Mommy's doctor.
And then, what are we gonna do there?
I will check up.
Oh, we're gonna have a checkup. We're gonna see your baby brother.
Yes.
Okay, and then after that, where are we going? Are we going to Tita Doc?
Yes.
Hindi, bukas yan. Ganyan lang yan. Pero bukas yan, char lang yan. Ayan o, may dumadaan nga o. Pag close, balik tayo. Ginugulo mo naman usapan namin ni Lexi eh. Lexi, are you excited to see your baby brother?
Yes.
Because you're excited to see your baby brother because you love your baby brother?
I don't like to inject.
No, we're just gonna see your baby brother. You want to see your baby brother today?
Let's go there.
We're gonna see baby brother's face. We're gonna check if baby brother looks like mommy or looks like daddy or looks like Lexi. English pa, girl.
It's daddy.
It's daddy? Are you sure? Not mommy? Why?
It's not.
I want to be like mommy. I want the baby to look like me. Why don't want the baby to look like me? The baby will also have dimples like you? Okay. Pareho kayo ni daddy?
And the baby.
And then after we see your baby brother, we go to Tita Doc.
And I will check up lang.
No injection? Okay.
Then I will laugh.
Okay.
And I will say, Mommy! I will say, Mommy! I will say, Mommy, help me!
Oh no.
I can see! I
You like that song?
Yeah! I like that song! Asan yung picture ko?
Sino? Yung baby mo?
Yung baby konti.
Mamaya, titignan na si baby mo.
Yung
Kumamayat ka, Lexi? Lumalaki na eh.
Malaki.
Where's your baby brother?
Here!
Lexi, paano kung sister? Okay lang?
Is it a baby brother or sister?
Can I go up?
Oh, she wants to look.
Pa-check up ka din.
No.
Sige.
Kakando.
There's
Mommy, just a joke. Just a joke.
Just a joke.
I'm just upstairs.
No. You also had this before. It protects you from the cough.
Oh, look.
Like this.
Only mommy. Look at mommy. I'm not gonna cry. Look at me. Look at me. I'm not gonna cry.
Is I brave?
Yes, I am.
How about you, Lexi? Are you brave?
I don't like.
Only, look at mommy. Look at mommy.
You, mommy.
Oh, no more. Oh, no more.
I'm just happy. Look, see? Itsura ng mukha niya.
Lexi, come here.
Diyos ko, love, kamukha mo. Love, kamukha ni Lexi, kamukha. Diyos ko naman, Michael, mukha mo na naman to. Parang kakambal ni Lexi, oh. Wala akong kamukha. Love yung ilong. Ilong mo na naman.
Grabe.
Ay, ano kamukha ni ano, Maiko? Ganyan mukha ni Lexi, di ba? Oo nga, grabe. Last time di nagpakita kasi wala daddy. Ako lang mag-isa. Ngayon, no? Oh, walang balakid.
Wala. Ang ganda ko.
Ang cute!
Magagawa anak na ng video.
Ang cute ni baby.
One time ng 8 hours.
Lexi, look at the fingers of your baby brother. Look.
Like baby Philips.
Oh my gosh, so cute. So cute. Looks like Lexi. Ang pogi. Taba-chin-chin. Ay, gumingiti. Your baby brother smiled at you. Look. He smiled. Yes, there. Oh.
Wow.
Cute. Who's this?
What's that?
Oh, that's your baby brother. Look at this one. Oh, may mga freebies pang kasama yan.
Okay, thank you so much. Hug your ear. Your other ear. Oh, may ubo siya. Ngayon lang yan, sir?
Hindi pa.
Okay. Good job. Okay. 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 The last one. Thank you. Drawing Daddy, remember the Drawing Daddy, okay? Oh, you watch this one.
Oh, you watch in the SpongeBob. Not in the ano.
I don't like injection.
Oh, no! Where's SpongeBob? What's he doing right now? Why is he crying? SpongeBob, you're so funny. You're so funny, SpongeBob. Okay, we're done.
Oh no!
Sorry. Okay.
Lexi, Tita Doc said your height is not for your age. You're only 4, but your height is pang 5 years old. And your weight, Lexi, look at mommy.
I'm not sure that.
Okay, and then you know what else Tita Doc said? Tita Doc said that you're overweight 4 kilos.
Oh no!
Lexi, you're overweight daw. What are we gonna do? You want to diet?
I'm not bleeding that.
Are you not believing that? You don't believe Tita Doc?
Yeah.
When she said you're overweight, 4 kilos?
Yeah.
You're not overweight? So we're home na, guys. Ayan, today is Lexi's vaccine day. She didn't cry so much. Just a little, right? Just Just a little lang, baby. Little cry only. Is it ouchy? Show your vaccine. Where's your vaccine? Oh, no more na. Very good. Lexi's very good. Tapos, minute ko na lang sila kanina sa mall. Kasi nagpagawa ko ng lashes after morning shift ko. Ayan. Look at mommy's lashes, my baby. Is it pretty? Look.
Yeah.
Thank you, Strokes. Ayan, doon ako lagi nagpapagawa sa Strokes Vertice North. Ayan, may mga nag-message kasi sa akin last time. Yung last vlog ko kasi di ko nalagay doon kung saan ako nagpapagawa mismo ng lashes. So, yan. Sa Strokes po, sa Vertice North. Sometimes sa Strokes Shangri-La. Pero ngayon may bago akong favorite na gumagawa ng lashes ko. So, the name of my new favorite lash expert is Beth. Ate Beth. So, ayan. After ko magpagawa ng lashes, nag-shopping lang ako ng konti din dun sa Strokes kasi may mga makeup din dun sa branch nila na yun sa Vertice North. Actually, sa ibang branches din nila. Kasi favorite ko yung, pinaka-fave ko, not a paid ad guys, pinaka-fave ko na local makeup brand is Strokes. As in, yung gamit ko ngayon, ito, yung gamit ko ngayon na moisturizer and then primer and powder, and even yung kanina na suot ko, at yung pangkilay, lahat to Strokes. So, ayan, favorite makeup brand ko sila na local. Isa sa mga favorite ko kasi marami din ako mga bet na local brand. So, ngayon, ayan, nakahiga na kami dito. Actually, si Mike lang yung nakahiga. Ayan, nagpapahinga siya. Nag-shower kasi kami ng quickie pagdating namin dito sa bahay. Hindi kami nagsabay, guys. Kaya kayong ganyan. Charot. So, yun nga. Naantay lang namin si Sab because we are going to watch a volleyball game today. It's Creamline versus Chocomucho. I'm gonna see my idol, Cici Rondina again.
Chocomucho.
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 So yun guys, I was saying, nandito kami ngayon sa playroom ni Lexi na soon magiging tanghalian room ni Baby Dragon. Pero most likely dito rin naman talaga siya mag-room someday. Kasi wala nang extra room dito sa bahay. Hanggang pang 2 anak lang yun na paggawa namin room. But anyway, ayan, papakita ko sa inyo rin soon yung pag-renovate namin dito. Hindi naman siya actually renovation. May mga inalis lang kami. Kasi dati, this used to be their playroom to ni Lexi before. Pero yun nga, since may bago tayong baby na dadating, kaya dito na yung kanyang magiging room. Share sila ni Lexi kasi nandito pa rin naman yan. Nandito pa yung ibang mga gamit ni Lexi. Soon ko na lang papakita sa inyo yung pag-aayos namin dito. Habang si Mike, ayan, kumikweet na pa. Uy. Mike, who's that?
I love you.
Who's that?
I love you.
Who do you love?
Daddy.
Show your baby. Show your baby daddy. Where's your baby daddy? What's the name of your baby?
Baby Daddy. Junior.
Ay, so.
Few moments later.
Why are you crying?
I'm sorry because I bumped here.
You bumped your head there. Whose fault is it?
Lexi.
It's your fault. Why are you crying?
I'm
Don't cry na.
crying.
Don't cry na, ha? Oh, naalala niya yung injection na siya. No, Lexi, look at me. There's no reason for you to cry. Look at me. Look at me. You want mommy to get mad?
Oh no!
Okay, then don't cry. Where are you going? Look, oh, mommy's Nana's massaging mommy because mommy is ay tawag dito, manas-manas. Mommy, look at mommy's feet. No, look at mommy's leg. It's elephant chassis. It's so big. Mommy's legs is ouchie na. It's ouchie. Mommy, my legs is ouchie. Diba you're my mommy? Are you my mommy? Oh. Why do you always cry if you're my mommy?
I cry.
Yes.
Naman lagi pag Creamline Chocomucho.
Kapak. Sinong team mo, girl?
Creamline.
Chocomucho ako. Ikaw, love?
Nine kami.
Ako, Cici Rondina ako.
Tots Carlos.
Naligo ka ba?
Oh!
Galing pang school yan. Oh, pa? May papatry ako sa yung lip gloss. Oh. Try lang ha.
Ay, hindi ngayon.
Hiram ha, hindi hingi. Ito, sarap ka. Patingin ako. Is it nice? Let me see.
Okay na lang. Okay na lang.
Okay na lang. Layo ng pinarkan natin. Parang walang kasamang buntis to eh. Naghanap ng malapit eh. Parang last game na sa dami ng tao, mga B. Pinabog na talaga ng volleyball ang basketball. Lala. Tapos may nagbigay sa atin ng yan. Chocomucho. Creamline ka eh.
Measure. And the Chocomucho Flying Titans. Still serving for Green Line. Touch. Jamaica. Rise to Reno. Twenty-two, 23.
First match, first set goes to... Kanino? Sino panalo? Pakinilakas mo. Sino? Sino? Choco Mucho. Choco Mucho. Flying Titans.
In the, how about in the senior?
Yeah, it's in there.
Yeah, no, it's a bunch of now. There is a shop, but you look at the water town.
How about mommy? Ay, sus naman yan. Picture with daddy. Picture with daddy. Come on. Picture na with daddy. Ay, ay sus. Wow. Linis ng bahay. Good job talaga si Mimi. Ano almusal? Hindi, suman na lang. Suman ako. Si Sab, anong kakainin? Si Sab, kumakain ba siya nun? Ganda ng panahon ngayon, hindi masyadong mainit. Gising na ang magkakalat sa bahay! Oh, no! Gising na siya! Ito pa, yan o, yan. Yan, kasama din yan. To. Tsaka yan, mga tagakalat sa bahay.
Wow, ang linis mo ah.
Oo naman, oo. Yan, yan tatlong yan. Yang tatlong yan ang nagkakalat dito sa bahay. Silang tatlo yun. Saya na naman siya. Open sunshade na naman, B. We're going to... Where are we going? We are going to the south kasi aatin tayo ng binyagan and birthday yan.
To Ate Zap?
No.
To Lexi?
No. Lexi, why do you want mommy to always call Jitur?
I want mommy to call Jitur.
You want mommy to call Jitur? Hello, Jitur? Close sunshade. It's closing na, ha? It's closing na. Masisira itong sunshade natin sa kaka-open close ni Lexi. You talk to your new friend. You talk. Oh, Pak, mga kumari kong kaigaganda. Oh, sino pinaka-fresh? Siyempre, ikaw na. Ikaw na to. Hindi ito ang aming high school friends, guys. Nasa ano kami?
Hoy, hindi ka nag-high school. Diretso college
sila
ka.
po yung mga kasama ko sa viral na photo. Sila yon. Kami yon.
Actually, drop out po siya.
Si Raulo.
Kiss mo siya. Another one, yung kiss.
Favorite na artista, sino? Sino daw ba? DJ Chacha. Gusto niyo maging DJ Chacha? Okay. Gusto niyo maging garang? Okay. Sige. Sa abot po ng makakaya ko, gagawin natin pag-passion DJ Chacha. Okay? So kids, begin. And ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin. The one and the only, Yaya Sarah, also known as DJ Chacha. Ayan. Totoo ba sasama ka ni Sir Michael sumayaw? Oo naman. Tingin na kay Sir Michael. Sir Michael. Sir Michael, di ba? Kanina, bulong ka ng bulong. Sabi mo, sayaw tayo. Sige, sasayaw kayo. Oo naman. Ano sasayawin nyo? Siyempre yung favorite ni Sir Michael. Ano? Jumbo hotdog. Jumbo hotdog. Sige, pag natin na kagaling, sasayaw kayo ha. Sige.
Bored na siya sa traffic, mga mi. Ang andar namin, wala pang 5 kilometro.
Oh no!
Hala, uy. Sa islang pantropiko.
Pataman na ina, masamping tupa hindi na, mana ina, and
cause boy, it feels so good.
Pagka namang
masaya, nananalina ka.
Pagka namang
mamula na makita ka.
Kita ka.
Pantropiko, oh.
Happy Mother's Day, Mommy. I love you.
Aww. You greet me because it's Mother's Day today. You kiss me. Come on.
I don't like to eat.
You kiss me. You greet me. Happy Mother's Day. Come on. I love you.
I love you.
These are my 2 babies. Kiss mommy. Kiss mommy. What will you say?
Happy Mother's Day.
About you?
Happy Mother's Day.
And Happy Mother's Day, Mommy. Like that.
Go. 1, 2, 3.
Wow, we've got a package from Baby Flo, baby.
Can I have a box?
Oh, look, it says Happy Mother's Day. Wow, and then we have a matchy bathrobe here, Savannah and DJ Chacha. Did you see that?
Yeah.
And then some other Baby Flo stuff here. Can you say thank you, Baby Flo?
Thank you, Baby Flo.
Is that for Lexi or for Baby Dragon?
Lexi.
Hindi naman kita na.
Oh. Ano mo siya? Ayo, Lexi, look, oh. Lexi, look, oh. Lexi, look. Oh, no.
My mama did.
This, okay.
Because we're exercising, eh. Right? Oh, we have a cake from Remy's. is it's an ube cake.
Yes.
It's not your birthday, di ba? It's Mother's Day.
It's okay.
Oh, sige, birthday mo na lang. And then flowers from Daddy. What does the card says?
From Daddy. That's from Lexi.
That's from Daddy,
Diba?
Lexi, and Sab, and Baby Dragon.
That's
It
from
says,
Lexi.
Happy Mother's Day. Thank you for everything.
Oh, mommy.
She doesn't want to say thank you. You don't want to say thank you? Ay, sige. Daddy, let's call the water tank na lang. The water tank girl. Oh, you remember the water tank girl? Okay.
Oh, smile na.
Baoy.
Kayo na lang tatlo.
Kami na lang, kami na lang.
Go 1, 2.
Happy Mother's Day
To you.
Happy Mother's Day to you. Happy Mother's Day, Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to you. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
It's okay, it's okay. Oh. You blow na. Oh, yay! Ate talaga.
It's okay, it's okay. It's okay, we open it again.
Ate talaga.
Okay na nga yung mood niya eh. Oh, ayan na, isa pa.
Lexi lang daw. Okay.
Happy
Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to you.
Ate, no.
Go.
Ate, no. Yay!
Yay!
Take a photo with Mother Lexi. Take a photo with Mother Lexi.
Okay.